Hello again, back for another video, episode 4. Today we got another Philips Hue product, and it's the corner lamp, the LED corner lamp. It's got this big long box in front of me. Yeah. Let's take a look. As expected, there is a long and skinny little lamp in here. Whoops, I hit my ceiling, it's so freaking tall. Nice packaging and some protection. And there we go. I'm 5'9½", so it's about, I don't know, 6 inches shorter than me. Somewhere around there. So yeah, it's about 5 feet tall, whatever. And that is it. Not much else to go over, so let's go get it into position and power it up and sync it to our Philips Hue app as well as Samsung SmartThings. Here's the pamphlet inside the box. Let's take a quick look. Just looking for a little quick start guide here. It's just a QR code, so yeah, that's funny. Alright, not much else to go over. Quick unboxing for you guys, and yeah, let's go set it up. Okay, yeah, we're here in my bedroom and I got the lamp stuck in the corner here, and I think we'll test it out here, see how I like it, and you could always move it around to wherever you want, but it's gonna start here. So plugged it in and it turned on just like that. So I'm gonna open up the Hue app, the Philips Hue app, to start the process. So yeah, just in the app here, we're going to hit the 3 dots at the top, add lights, searching for lights. Lights found. 1. Start configuration. Yeah, it just flashed, so we know it found that lamp. So yeah, it's the name is Scene Gradient Floor. So Scene Lamp. We'll just call it like that. And I know with the play bars they had the exact right icon of their own product, so yeah, there it is there. Seen it, it was already selected, so we're good to go. Scene lamp, new light found. So yeah, this is super cool part of the lamp. It's a gradient lamp, which means you could change the LED colors throughout the lamp. So inside the app you see the 3 different color zones, and it automatically adjusts the gradient between wherever you select those on there. So we could go from dark purple, like pink, blue, into white at the top, get some green in there. Wow, super cool. Around the world, so yeah, we got pink, bluish, the bottom fading into more blue, green, yellow. You could see the curve on the app itself. That's super neat. So we got a little bit of a rainbow color here, and yeah, So we're gonna drag the Signe lamp into the bedroom. Hit next. Success, your lights are ready to use. Awesome. So yeah, in my bedroom, whoops, not into that. In my bedroom, we have the 2 Philips Hue standard bulbs in my ceiling light, and now we have this Signe lamp. So I'm kind of curious. Let's try some of these scenes. And yeah, it changes. The Signe lamp fits right in, immediately works. Yeah, very happy and very pleased with the Philips Hue ecosystem. It's been very easy to work with. So now let's open up our SmartThings app. We're in my living room here, so we could drop that menu down, go to bedroom. So add device, scan nearby. Don't think that will work, so. Oh, no, I can't remember how. Let's just search. Bear with me here. I'm still a very amateur user within this system. Oh, I'd already added it. So I think my Philips Hue account or Philips Hue app is already tied into SmartThings. So once I added it into Philips Hue, it must have just popped into here right away. I just didn't know that it had done that. So yeah, I guess one easy way to check it, if you add a new device, it'll create this no room assigned additional one here. So scene gradient floor 1, and at the bottom we can move to another room. So let's just move to another room right now. Select down here into bedroom, save. So now if we scroll over to my bedroom, we can see we got bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Again, that's my 2 ceiling lights, which is just the standard Philips Hue bulbs. And then the Signe gradient floor 1. And yeah, we can turn that off, turn that on, turn all the lights off, turn all the lights back on. Straight from Samsung SmartThings app. Super cool. So yeah, I got my SmartThings station hooked up, and that's my main hub that I'll be using for all my Zigbee devices. Next episode, I'm going to be installing the Sangled LED lights in my living room and kitchen, and those certainly require a Zigbee hub. So that'll be sort of the first test there on getting that updated into my SmartThings app. But that's all we got today. It's a quick little short video. Just wanted to show you the unboxing of this lamp and getting it, taking you through the very initial setup. I'm excited to dive into all these automations and putting all my smart devices into good use, so that'll be just a matter of time once I get everything sort of set up and I can start tinkering with SmartThings and really putting all the automations to use.